Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the compatibility warning in Forza Horizon 6 on PC, including the GPU not supported error and CPU errors FH101, FH201, and FH205. These errors can be really frustrating, but don't worry, we've got a couple of solid solutions to try. Let's get into it. Solution 1. The first thing we're going to do is make sure Forza Horizon 6 is using your most powerful GPU. Sometimes Windows assigns the wrong graphics card to a game, which can trigger compatibility warnings and errors. Open your Start menu and click on Settings. Click on System, then click on Display, and then click on Graphics. Now we need to add Forza Horizon 6 to the list, so we can manually assign it the right GPU. If you're playing through Steam, click on Add Desktop App and browse to locate Forza Horizon 6.exe in your game's installation folder. If you're playing through the Microsoft Store or Xbox app, click on Add Microsoft Store app instead and select Forza Horizon 6 from the list. Once the game has been added, find Forza Horizon 6 in the list and click on it to expand it. You'll see a GPU preference option. Click on the drop-down menu and select High Performance. This will force the game to always use your dedicated graphics card. Now go ahead and launch the game and check if the compatibility warning is gone. Solution 2. While we're on the topic of GPU issues, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, let's also make sure your drivers are fully up to date. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app, then open it. Click on the Drivers tab and select Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, go ahead and install it. Keeping your drivers updated is one of the most effective ways to resolve GPU compatibility issues in games. Solution 3. If the GPU preference fix didn't fully resolve the issue, let's try adjusting the game's compatibility settings. This can help with both the GPU and CPU-related errors. Go to your Steam library, right-click on Forza Horizon 6, and select Properties. Click on the Installed Files tab, and then click Browse to open the game's installation folder. Inside the folder, find Forza Horizon 6.exe, then right-click on it and select Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab at the top. Here, check the box that says Run this program as administrator, and also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Once both boxes are checked, click Apply, and then OK. Now try launching Forza Horizon 6 again, and see if the compatibility warning and errors have been resolved. And those are the solutions for fixing the compatibility warning, GPU not supported error, and CPU errors FH101, FH201, and FH205 in Forza Horizon 6 on PC. Hopefully one of those steps did the trick for you.